Do you want to make your food like a professional chef? Well, here is the secret. These sauces are it. For each food, the sauce has a full flavor, the right color, and the right taste every time. The Legend Cookhouse sauce is heaven. You will make your family happy because your food is so delicious. Don't just take our word for it. Take famous YouTuber David Hoffman's.
Yes.
Cheers, man.
Different.
So different. That meatiness. The egg. I love a small grain rice, but dude, the sauce. Whatever they're putting in here, sauce. What is in that sauce?